morning students, welcome to chemistry class. Today discuss about the topic equivalent weight. Equivalent weight means what? Reactant react in a specific molar ratio, not in the mass ratio. Already you know. Equivalent weight are in the equivalent mass. These are the same. The example, carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon react with 1 mole of oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. This is the correct way. 1 gram means that is the wrong. Okay. 1 mole is the correct. This is equations for two types. First one is the skeletal. Second one is the stoichiometric. Stoichiometric and skeletal. Skeletal means carbon plus hydrogen to form methane. Not balanced. Skeletal equation means not balanced. Carbon is balanced, hydrogen reactant side 2, product side 4. So not balanced, that is called the skeletal. The stoichiometric equation means we balance the equation. 2 2s are 4. 4 hydrogen reactant side and product side. These are both are the same side. These are the stoichiometric equations. So equivalent, this is the equivalent proportions. Equivalent means number of element same. Number of elements same is called the equivalent. What is the difference for molar mass and equivalent mass? That is reactions for combination reaction, redox reaction, decomposition reaction, neutralization reaction, combustion reactions. These are the reactions, they obey laws. What are the laws? First law, total mass of reactant equal to the total mass of product. That is the conservational mass. Second one, specific ratios. Constant proportions. Specific ratio means N2O2 is the any proportions means that is called the air. But the specific proportions H2O, H2O2, that is the H2O means water, H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. This is specific proportions means that is called water. Any proportions means that is called the air. These are the law of constant proportions. Third one, variety of proportions. Variety of multiple proportions. Third one, multiple proportions. Multiple proportions means any reactant to give variety of product, A, X, B, Y or A, M, B, L. For any variety of product they give. That is called the multiple proportions. Conservation proportions, constant proportions, then multiple proportions. Conservation proportions means total number of reactant equal to total number of product. Constant proportions means nitrogen, oxygen, any proportions means that is called air. H2O means any specific proportions means that is called the water. 2:1 or 1:1 or 2:2, that is called any specific proportions means that is called constant proportions. Multiple proportions means the product reactant give any product, variety of product, A, X, B, Y, A, M, B, L. For any variety of product give means that is called the multiple proportions. And understands? This is the equivalent weight or mass. Yeah.